Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commentary for Thursday. It's about about 2:50 Eastern Time. Markets after that tumultuous day yesterday, in which the Federal Reserve announced they would not raise interest rates, we saw a meltdown in the dollar and certainly a rally in all markets. Today, it's somewhat the reverse of that. The dollar sharply higher today, while the euro currency sharply lower. And we thought about this yesterday, when all this was happening, the fact they didn't raise rates, but what else has changed? I mean, Europe is still in the economic morass. Asia is still slow. And the Fed simply said they wanted to see some more unemployment data before they raised rates. So there was nothing that warranted such the run yesterday, but nonetheless, it happened. So here we go. The stock market today down another 113 points. We have to say we're a little proud of cotton, and that cotton did follow through today after being up a couple of hundred yesterday. Getting up directly off the floor and having a rally to the ceiling. Today we finished spot cotton about 50 higher, and new crop December finished about, I'd say, 25, 30 higher as well. So the cotton market continued to do a little better. In fact, spot December, as I look at it, closed above 6,400. That's pretty impressive to us. This could be the March low we were talking about in our cotton letter. Doing a reciprocal thing to the last 2 or 3 years, where the market made a high in the month of March. We were thinking it could make a low here in the month of March as an opposite reaction. So we'll see if that's indeed the case or not. Grains today, after being up, kind of mellowed back down. Not much you could say there. Beans were down 3 cents. Corn down about a penny. Wheat a little stronger, up about a penny. Which doesn't sound very strong, but nonetheless, there is still some weather adversity, I think, out across the wheat belt, and that's got a few people a little nervous. Jumping back to cotton, we had a pretty good export number today. I think we did 280,000 bales, shipped about 300. I think corn, beans, and wheat exports were off just a little bit. So the strong dollar is still hampering that, I suppose. Tomorrow's the end of the week. I'm sure there'll be a lot of evening up and positioning because very soon we're going to have the planted acres numbers, or let me correct myself, the acres intentions numbers as to what farmers may or may not intend to plant for the coming season. So we'll see what that means for us. That comes on the 31st of March. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.